He's now doing the front fender, working his way back, it looks like. Yeah, I kind of thought he might jump to the top here. Once in a while he'll adjust the gun according to what he's painting, and a different pattern, I think, or fan for different areas. For example, this top is up high and out of his reach. That's actually a brand new HVLP gun. HVLP standing for high volume, low pressure, and it's a top of the line gun. I forget the brand off the top of my head. Obviously he has the sunroof that he's going to work around, big hole there. So I'll step away here and turn this off and come back in a bit.